Welcome to my little Ticket Advent Christmas Countdown videos. These are little shorts that are so fun for building little countdown tickets. So what I'm going to share is my basic process where we're going to trim a piece of paper 2 inches by 4 inches. And really, these tickets could be made any size, but I'm going with the 2-inch by 4-inch size. And then I'm going to score 1 inch from the bottom of that ticket. That is going to be where we kind of have our little stub fold. And then using a circle punch, we are going to make small little indent notches on either side of that score line with the score line running right through the middle. And you can see with a few simple cuts and a few punches, we have a perfect little ticket base ready to be stamped on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some ink. I'm going to make this one with some evergreen green, and I'm going to begin pulling from my December caption stamp set. Because it's December 1, I really wanted to focus on December, and I thought this stamp set was great. Again, these are just inspiration points to use what you have, but I want to show you the process behind each of my makes and these little tickets. So you can see I grabbed from the Ticket Stamp Society, I added that little admission, and now I'm going to also grab some stamps from the 6x8 snow globe set. I am using the trees to create a beautiful echo stamped kind of background. And because it's December, I really wanted a winter theme, so that is why I chose the trees. So you can have so much fun using white cardstock and echo stamping to create a beautiful background. I definitely recommend it. It is so fun. So then I'm going to go back to my ticket stamp set. I'm going to grab the ticket stamp and put that on the other corner, and then pull again from December captions, add in that winter vibes, and then pull back from the ticket stamp set that really fun, nice border. So I'm just kind of building, adding little compartments and playing with words and phrases along the edges, playing with orientation. Again, so much fun. I love this winter definition, which is from, again, the December captions, and also same goes for this stay cozy. I always love to stamp my phrases backwards when I'm using a phrase, just so that I can get perfect placement and make sure it ends where I want. So just a little fun tip on that too. Then I grabbed this cute little all excess past stamp, which is also from that ticket set. And don't worry, I will link everything below in the comments. And I really loved this small little number detail so that I could add in using a little Color Collective sticker, which I'm going to be keeping consistent throughout all my tag makes, and then stamping the digits on those. So just a little kind of highlight and small little detail. And this one was also chosen from the little Wild West stamp set. I just pulled a random set with numbers, so anything works for that. Again, I'm also going to keep consistent with my little roller date. And then I went ahead and added these star borders, the star edging, which is also from that Ticket Stamp Society set. So trying to just really use what I have, make it all work together. And of course, a little finishing touch is pulling from my texture stamp set. This also is a previous Stamp Society set. Of course, any texture will work. It's just a great way to kind of pull the piece together. And as a finishing touch, I wanted to kind of echo stamp and cluster some snowflakes. So I really kept everything kind of cohesive and similar using all the tone-on-tone ink, which was the evergreen green color story, and just kind of building a perfect little base. Now I'm going to use my blending tool because I used a white cardstock, and actually this is the evergreen green. I just applied some to my blending tool. I'm not really sure if it's blendable ink, but it worked for me. So definitely give that a try. So here is our first little make. Again, it is just kind of an admission and welcome into December. I adore these wintry vibes, the December sentiments, and it's going to be just a fun little creative exercise that I can add into my 'Tis the Season album this year.